Ay, hello po. Magpalang umaga po muli sa tanghali, hapon at gabi sa inyo lahat, mga kapatid, kaibigan ko kay Kristo. Diyan sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, sa iba't ibang bansa, no? Patuloy po kayong mapagpala ng biyaya ng pag-ibig ng Diyos. Muli, eto naman ako, awitan kayo. Nawa po huwag ko'y magsawa sa pakikinig at panonood ng aking pag-aawit, no? Ako naman ay gusto lang kayong maaliw kung kayo naaliw. At bahala na po kayo kung kanino i-dedicate itong kanta na to. Shoutout po sa lahat na nakikinig at nanonood. If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show that you have come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on me. If a man could be two places at one time, I'd be with you tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. If the world should stop revolving, spinning slowly down to die, I'd spend the end with you. And when the world was through, then one by one the stars would all go out. Then you and I would simply fly away. Thank you, Lord. Thanks for watching po. God bless us all po.